so much. Everyone's very friendly. Kind of reminds me of the South because people will stop you on the streets and just talk to you, and that's very like welcoming and warming. So I've been really enjoying the culture and the people here. Might have to move here one day.
School is very structured, so I think being here has really allowed me to relax a little bit, especially when it comes to art. I'm having a more relaxed approach, which is what the tutors want.
All the different materials we have, like you have like acrylics, you got like gouache, you got like oil-based paints, and then we try all the different mediums. Like, it's really cool.
It's more like, here's the medium that we're going to be working in, here's how you do it, and then you can do whatever you want.
Before this year, I didn't know what kind of art I wanted to do. Like, I knew I wanted to go to art school, but I didn't know what, like, portraiture or like landscapes or life drawing or any of that. And now I feel like I've really found my place.
I think there's like a really great community here, honestly. It kind of feels like a family. Like, I don't know. It's really fun to like live together and work together and like go on trips together. So I definitely had a lot of inspiration.
I would say the people that I've met and the friends that I've made. I feel like I've made some really meaningful connections here.
I feel like I've met a lot of great people here. It's been everything I hoped it to be, really.
We are shown new techniques, and then once we've learned those techniques, we can do whatever we want with it. I mean, I'm still learning a lot, but I have a lot more control over what I'm making.
I've loved it so far, especially just being in Ireland. All of the greenery is amazing, and all of the teachers have taught a lot of different really cool things.
Being in Ireland is crazy inspiring because it's just like such a different climate to where I'm from, and just like the nature is just totally different.
There's like very different people here. Yeah, we're all very unique in our own ways and I love it. And honestly, we all get along very well.